Hey y'all, so if you're new here, my name is Anissa. I am an interior decorator and content creator and lover of a good DIY. If you are not new here, then welcome back. So today I thought I'd do something kind of special. So a few years ago, I released a video called How to Become an Interior Decorator. That video is still getting a lot of love and I get a lot of questions. But since then, I have really grown and I thought it would be a good idea to do an update. So back then I was just figuring things out, but since I have worked with many clients, have grown a community and a YouTube channel, and even wrote a book. Yes, y'all, I am launching my first book. It is called Style for Impact, a practical guide to starting your interior decorating career. But before we get into that, let's go back a little bit. So when I look back over my life, I really started when I was in my teen years, anywhere from about 13 to 15. I remember decorating my bedroom. I remember my mom would come home from work and the whole living room would be rearranged. Like it was just something that I just had a natural tact for and I loved it. So I really started then, and I didn't see it then. I just thought I just, like hanging posters on the wall and decorating or whatever. But now I see that that is really where it started. But as far as my actual career, so when I first got on YouTube, I was doing natural hair content because I'm natural, still am natural, but was natural and was doing, the content that was popular at the time, beauty, natural hair. But my husband and I purchased our home, this home here. And of course, when we got it, it was a blank slate and it was an opportunity for me to come in and just like release all of my creativity. So in addition to filming some of my hair videos, I started filming some of my DIYs and things that I was doing around the house, and people loved it. And so many people were interested. And that is really where Nisi Does It started. Now, as far as taking the leap and actually going into having clients, it was really a demand. So once I started putting out videos, I started getting a lot of questions about if I help people do the same for their homes. Really, I started on Facebook just posting like my before and after pictures. So it was really like people that knew me or friends of friends that were really reaching out like, hey, I got a living room, I got a rental place, I got a new house. Can you do this for me? Can you do that for me? And I said, yeah, not having anything figured out, not even knowing anything about contracts or insurance or anything like that. I just did it because friends were asking. And then once I had been doing it a while, I decided like, if I want to do this as a career, like, am I missing something? Like, was I supposed to get certified to do this? Was I supposed to go to school to do this? Like, am I even legal doing this? So all of those worries just started to kick in. So y'all know, like when you're doing something and you really don't have a full educational background on it, you might start to feel like an imposter. Imposter syndrome sets in. So then I really started to question, like, should I go to school? Like, what should I do? How do I really make myself feel more secure and legit? So then I discovered that you can become a certified interior decorator. Now, to become an interior decorator, it is not required to have an education. Education is not required at all. You can be fully self-taught. But I did find out that they offer certifications for it. And I wanted to get any knowledge that I could to feel more secure in the services that I was offering. Yeah, I remember my first client experience. I was shocked. Like I could not believe like somebody was hiring me to decorate their home. And then mind you, this was a new house that she bought. And I'm like, this is a new house. This lady want me to do her house, but she was sure, she saw my work, and yes, she wanted to hire me.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. No, Nisa, this.
Is it okay?
This is great.
This is nice.
Is it
Oh my gosh. Oh no, this is awesome. Like for real. Yes. Oh no, this is awesome.
The experience actually went really well. I was not concerned about, like I told you, insurance at the time. I was just out there doing it and worrying about getting it right as I went. I did not worry about having it all together when I started. Somebody wanted me to decorate. They liked what they saw, so I went for it and I did it. Y'all, and let me tell you, from that first time that I decorated her living room, that turned into decorating the nursery for their first child, and then also turned into redesigning the stage at their church. And to me, that was a big deal. Like, to have that first client turn into a repeat client, it was just amazing. Since then, you all have seen me share a lot of my DIYs and room transformations here on the channel. I've grown quite the community here on YouTube and online. And you all ask me all the time, like, tips for interior decorating, things about your home. Some of you have sent me pictures asking me what to do in this type of situation. Y'all, it has just really grown into something that I really didn't even see coming. But when I look back, like I said before, it was always a part of my life. So the number one question that I get asked all the time is, how do I start? I get so many questions from you guys about how to start an interior decorating business. That is the number one question. I get DM'd all the time on Instagram. I get sent emails all the time. So that is actually why I wrote this ebook, to answer all of those questions. Where to get started? How do I get clients? How do I price? Contracts, all the things. I've taken every resource, every lesson, every shortcut that I've learned, and I have packed it into this book for you all. From how to build your skills, to how to get clients, to what tools to use, it is all in there. And because it is launch week and y'all are my people, I'm offering it for $27 for the first week. So if you've been thinking about starting a career in decorating, or you've just been stuck in someday mode, then this is your sign. So you can click the link in the description box below to grab your copy. If you are already on your journey, then leave a comment and let me know where you are. I love connecting with other creators. And I do want to say thank you all so much for all your support and love over the years for this channel here, and also into the future as I continue to grow. So thank y'all so much for joining me for this video. Best of luck to all of you inspiring decorators out there. If you have any questions, again, don't be shy. Leave them in the comment section below, and I try to respond to all of them as I can. But again, grab the book. Let me know what y'all think. I'll see y'all on the next one.
There. Okay.
Just a little circle. Stand there. All right. On the count of 3.
Okay.
I hope you guys love it. See what
Okay. I know you did.
1, 2, 3.
No, Misa, this.
Is it okay?
This is great.